What's up, guys? Welcome back to Emmy's Magnets. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, oh my god, welcome back. So today I have a guest here, and as you have seen in the title of this video, we are going to talk about work-life balance. And my question is there even a balance? We are going to find out, as my guest here will be giving us some of her personal experience, and of course maybe and my experience. Moving on, let me just let her introduce herself. I think it's not the first time you're seeing her on this channel, so it's not going to be a long introduction, and then we dive into our topic for today.
Thank you for hosting me today. And my name is Sharissa Lakaza. I'm a video creator. I'm on YouTube as Igasha TV, and you are advised to go and see my YouTube channel. It talks about motherhood, but also life in general. And I'm a Burundian mother.
Yeah, so you are welcome on her channel too. It doesn't cost you a single euro or anything, so just go watch her videos and subscribe, of course, for her also. Yeah, so today we are going to talk about work-life mom balance. The first question will be, is there even a balance?
It has to be. There has to be a balance, otherwise you just mess up everything. So it's not easy, but it's doable.
Well, you told us it has to be. Me, to be honest, I don't know if I'm balancing, but I'm surviving. Yeah, just a simple question, because for you, you are a working mom, a full-time working mom, you have a family, and yeah, you have a home to manage. You are all mothers are managers. If you didn't know.
We are big managers, actually.
Yeah, tell me about, like, how is it like managing your house help and the kid, and how do you know that this is my nanny and she's going to take care of this, and my kid is satisfied with her, and so on?
So like you have to let those people do their work and trust them. You have to learn the trusting them, like trusting someone with your child. It's not easy in the beginning, because I remember I started working when she was 5 months, and all those 5 months we had been together. So I remember the first day I left her home with the nanny. I can't say that I worked that day. My mind and my heart was at home.
Yeah,
I was physically present at work, but then all the rest of me was at home with my baby. I kept calling every 5 minutes, asking, is she okay? Is she not crying? Did she eat? Did she have milk? Is she not having a fever? Or those kind of things.
yeah, I think trust is the most important, as she said, because also on my experience, my first day leaving my daughter, I left her in the creche, but I had an option of always texting the caregiver to see if she's doing okay. Mind you, I only left her for 4 hours. I couldn't go any further. So yeah, trust is very important. And maybe you can take us through, as a mom, a wife, how do you juggle the two? Because also, yeah.
Okay, so you have to be a very organized person to manage that. You have to know that there is time for each and everything.
Oh, yeah.
And you have to make priorities. Yeah, I'm not going to lie. Your baby will come first. In everything you plan, your baby will come first. So I may say, okay, maybe today is my time with my husband, but then the baby needs me. the baby starts crying, or the baby is not feeling well, the baby is not eating, so you just even forget all that you have planned. So that's how it is. But then, like, if the baby is okay, you can have that time with your husband, you can have that time with colleagues, you can go out for lunch or dinner with your colleagues, but you always have to remember that you have to go back home and see how things are going. Even if they are telling you on the phone that things are okay, when you reach home, you will find that you needed to be there with them. Yeah.
And yeah, thinking about the husband and the kid and the maids and so on, there are also those small programs that come in, parties here and there, friends here and there. How is it like in your field there? And how has your friendship actually changed with your former friends? Me, I call them former friends because now my circle has become so small. And how is it in your field?
I don't think that my cycle reduced. Like, those true friends stayed.
Oh yeah.
And they are the ones who helped me in the beginning. They supported me, and they are still supporting me. When I excuse myself and say, okay, I can't attend your party, or I can't attend your meeting because I have to go home and check on my baby, they understand. Yeah, they understand. They even sometimes, I have nice colleagues. Sometimes they will just say, okay, go home, we know you are a new mother, just go and take care of your family, of your baby. I can maybe come early, 2 hours earlier on my shift, or maybe I will be handling those things when you are going home. Yeah, that's how it is.
I think it's good to have kind people around us, not just to have a huge society which is not going to help us. So just choose among your friends, the people you call friends, who is really your friend. Your really circle. So stick on them.
And as an advice, I would like to tell those mothers, when you become a mother, you have to make, I said it before, you have to make priorities. If a friend is not understanding that you have to go home earlier, or you have to put your baby before everyone else, then that's not your true friend. That's not a friend that you should hold on. Let them go and make true friends. Real cycle, small but real cycle.
I think you have heard it's okay to let them go. If they are not helping, or if they are not being considerate with you, with your situation, just let them go. The real ones will come, and the real ones will stay. Something that you still tackled on about colleagues and schedules, because we all know that if we work full time, we have a schedule, and sometimes to some of us you cannot change it. So you have to juggle around it. And what advice can you, or what can you say to colleagues who are not willing to give you give you a hand just in case your child is sick or something?
You know, everywhere in society there has to be kind and less kind people. Let me just call them like that. Sometimes you may find colleagues or people who are not supportive, but like we said in the last video, I've learned to be more patient. And maybe like those colleagues, I always try to put myself in those colleagues' shoes. Saying maybe he also had something to do, or maybe he doesn't understand because he doesn't have children. Some colleagues will even say maybe you are taking your child as an excuse to not do what you have to. But I'm lucky, I'm very lucky, I had nice colleagues all the way.
That's good, that's impressive, because yeah, some colleagues are not really willing to just stand in
Yes.
for us, or even give us an opportunity to also work on the same pace as they do. But we can't take it on them, of course, because we chose to be mothers,
Yeah.
and it's not their choice.
And we didn't ask before doing it.
Yeah, exactly. It's not their choice or their responsibility to do so. I think this was a nice one for me because she has more experience than I do. Of course, I did learn a few things from her. If you did learn something from her, let me know what you learned, and also just give me some juice in the comment section. Give me, yeah, your experience. How do you balance this life? Because as for me, honestly, there is no balance. I just survive.
Just survive. Yeah, you remember on my channel you'll see live and survive. That's why I put survive, because
Yeah.
sometimes you have to survive. Just survive. Do things like the way you just can do it, or just the way you are thinking maybe to do it. Yeah.
Thank you for coming. I hope to see you again. You are always welcome, and this is home for you.
Thank you, Ms. Magnet, and I enjoyed this. Actually, I'm your fan, but I've become also a part of your channel.
Yeah, so you see, you are all welcome here. This is a free space for you to express your feelings, your knowledge. This is a learning place for you. Thank you for watching. As I said, if you have something to add about this topic, you can comment in the comment section, like the video, and yeah, why not, you can also share with your friends. And
Yes.
thank you. See you in the next video.
Ciao, ciao.